Okay, here we have the camera. We're testing the brightness, the pixels. As you can tell, looks pretty good for a small camera this size. We're gonna zoom. So there you go. Zoom is pretty good. It's not as bad as other cameras that I've seen. For a small camera like this, it's simple. It's most like a starting camera. It'll save you a lot of memory from your phone. I just bought a 64 gigabyte flash card for it, and seems to hold on a lot of photos and a lot of memories. So I think it's pretty nice. It's easy to use. It's simple. It's push button to record, push off to stop, up and down mode, Wi-Fi, power, and everything else, as you can tell. So just take a look at the mountains, and that's Ramona over there. You can see those mountains right over there. You know, it's a pretty nice camera overall. It's light. It comes with the hand holder strap. It's simple, easy to use. You know, take out the flash card and download your photos or videos, whichever it is. You can play them back on the camera. You can do a lot. Like I said, it can help you minimize the usage of your memory in your phone if you want something extra. Anyways, this is a camera. It's pretty cool. It's simple to use, very nice. Focus is pretty nice. Pixel brightness is crisp. Tried out the FHD. This is a 1920 and 1080 pixel high definition. So it's also Wi-Fi, which is really cool. You can use a Wi-Fi with it. So anyways, enjoy guys. Bye bye.